Ever wondered how businesses seamlessly move money across borders? From small startups to global corporations, the need to transfer funds internationally is crucial. But navigating the complexities of traditional banking systems can be a real headache, slow, expensive, and often riddled with hidden fees. Enter Airwallex, a fintech company revolutionizing international payments. But who are the brilliant minds behind this innovative platform? Airwallex was co-founded in 2015 by Jack Zhang and Lucy Liu, two visionaries with a shared passion for simplifying global commerce. Jack Zhang, a seasoned entrepreneur with a background in finance and technology, recognized the inefficiencies plaguing traditional international payments. He saw an opportunity to leverage technology to create a faster, more transparent, and cost-effective solution. Lucy Liu, a tech-savvy executive with expertise in operations and product development, joined Jack on this ambitious journey. Her focus on user experience and operational excellence played a crucial role in shaping Airwallex into the user-friendly platform it is today. Highlight key milestones. Armed with their vision and a deep understanding of the market, Jack and Lucy assembled a talented team of engineers, financial experts, and industry veterans. They leveraged cutting-edge technology, including APIs and blockchain, to build a robust and scalable platform that could connect businesses across the globe. Airwallex quickly gained traction, attracting significant investment from leading venture capital firms. This funding fueled their growth, enabling them to expand their operations to key markets worldwide. Today, Airwallex empowers businesses of all sizes to make faster and cheaper international payments. By streamlining the payment process and eliminating intermediaries, Airwallex significantly reduces transaction costs and speeds up transfer times. Access global markets with ease. The platform provides businesses with the tools they need to expand their reach internationally, including multi-currency accounts, virtual cards, and foreign exchange services. Gain greater control and transparency. Airwallex offers businesses real-time tracking and detailed transaction history, giving them greater visibility and control over their international payments. With Airwallex, Jack Zhang and Lucy Liu have not only created a successful fintech company but also transformed the way businesses operate in the global economy. They have demonstrated the power of innovation and technology to address real-world challenges and empower businesses to thrive in an increasingly interconnected world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.